So hello YouTube. So today I'll be showing you. Right now I'll be showing you how to um, uh, install Hamachi to your computer. So I'll be right back. Just gonna talk to this guy. Yeah, this is crazy. So I'm back, and so I'm gonna Google Chrome and type google.com.ph. So and after you do that, you're gonna need to search uh gonna search log me in how much there and download that there. We need to click the first link. Oh, let me find this link here. This link will be in the description. So no worries if you don't find it. Just click the link in the description, and I'm sure it will take you to the download link. So it will be easy. So yeah. Oh, not again. Put it back. So I'm back, and when you're in this link, in this page, check this is click download now. So click next and next and next to download it. So that's how you download Hamachi. So when you have Hamachi, open it up. Before I go to the network, just click this. So just follow those things. Don't join network. Just either so just tap network password. The network needs no password. Just don't tap it. So a tutorial ends here, and lastly, please go subscribe to this channel, and especially also like, and thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you also watch and subscribe to my future videos or channels in case I need to switch again. So goodbye guys.